How to draw the Oklahoma State logo. Hey, learn how to draw Hub Crew. To begin drawing the Oklahoma State logo, we are going to draw the S of the logo in the middle of our page. For this, we will first draw two diagonal lines that are parallel to each other. Then, from the line on the left or the bottom, we are going to start at the top of the line and draw a curved line going over and to the right for the top of the S. Then from that, we are going to draw a small straight line going down. Now going back to the other diagonal line we drew at the beginning, we are going to draw three sides of a square from the top of that line that will make the inside outline of the S. Then continuing where we left off, we are going to draw a long straight line going to the right. Then we are going to draw another long straight line going to the right that will be going from the top outline of our S. And we will connect those at the end. Awesome job! We're all done drawing the top half of our S. Now we are going to draw the bottom half the same way, so this shape right here is going to be exactly the same right here. It will just look flipped. Great job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're all done drawing the S. Next, we are going to draw the O and the U. We are going to first draw the U, which will be below the right side of our S right here. We will start by drawing two slanted lines for the left side of our U that will be near the S. Then we will draw a straight line at the top to connect those two lines. Then from the right slanted line, we are going to draw a curved line that will go upwards, starting the right side of our U. Then for the bottom outline of our U, we are going to do something a little bit different. For the left corner of our U, we are going to draw a diagonal line. And then from that, we are going to draw a long curved line that goes upwards for the right outline of the U. And to finish the U, we will connect those two lines at the top. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw the O above the left side of the S right here. We will start by drawing a slanted rectangle for the middle of the O. Then below that slanted rectangle, we are going to draw a straight line for the bottom of the O. On the left side of that line, we are going to draw a small diagonal line going upwards. And then on the right side, we are going to draw a big curved line for the right side of our O. Then at the top of that curved line, we are going to draw a short diagonal line going to the left and a big curved line going right here to finish the outline of our O. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're all done drawing the letters of our logo. That was the main part. Next, we are going to draw a big outline that goes around all of these letters. While drawing this outline, we are going to stay pretty close to the letters. The reason why we are outlining our letters is because when we go to color in our logo, the background behind the letters will be black, and the letters, as well as around the outline, will be orange. You're doing great so far, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. We're halfway done drawing the outline. Awesome job! Now we are going to outline this whole shape one more time. The only difference will be that right here, we will not have the triangle indent like we did on the first outline. Like I said before, the reason why we are going to outline this one more time is because around the whole logo, we are going to color it in orange. If you would like to see us draw more logos, then make sure to comment down below what logos you would like us to draw. This is how to draw the Oklahoma State logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big like below. And if you would like to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials of logos in specific, then make sure to check out our logos playlist. Make sure to stick around until the very end so that you can see our drawing all colored in, and if you want to match our colors, you can do so. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to draw again with you next time.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.